Good morning, it's Cheyenne with BYU Model United Nations here in Times Square, New York City. We're here for a week competing in a Model United Nations competition with hundreds of schools from across the world. We hope you enjoy our time here as much as we are.
New York City is such a fun city to visit, and when we go, we definitely like to take advantage of all the sightseeing and all the museums that we can go to there. But we also like to give back to the community. So this year, a select group of students who come from inner city backgrounds, speak Spanish, or are first generation college, went and did a service project with the Harlem 2nd Ward. They went and talked to the youth there about their experience of getting into college, going on missions, and being successful in high school. And the youth seemed to really enjoy that activity.
Today we found out that the President of the General Assembly is actually going to read all of our resolutions, and they're going to be something that they take into consideration at the real United Nations, which is quite a big announcement for us. We are super grateful to be here in New York again.